Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Srujan Study Circle. In my previous video, we have discussed about asexual reproduction in plants. So in our today's video, we are going to discuss about sexual reproduction in plants and some other processes in plants. So myself Srujan Vadvi, I am the founder of Srujan Study Circle. So let us begin with our today's topic, sexual reproduction in plants and some other processes in plants. As we all know that sexual reproduction is a type of reproduction in which the organism need another individual organism to reproduce. In our today's video, we are going to discuss about flowering plants. Now, the male reproductive part in the flowering plant is stamen. The stamen consists of anther and of a stalk-like structure called filament. Now, each anther also consists of pollen sacs that contains millions of pollen grains which contain sperm cells. Now, the female reproductive part is carpel. It consists of stigma at the top and the center tube called the style and ovary at the bottom. Inside the ovary are the ovules which contain the egg cells ova. One or more carpels together make the pistil. In plants like peas, beans and rice, there are both male and female reproductive parts. So these plants are known as perfect plants. Now, in some plants, there are either only male reproductive parts or female reproductive parts. So these plants are known as perfect plants. Now let us discuss about pollination. What is pollination? The process in which the pollen grains are transferred from anther to the stigma is known as pollination. Okay, so there are now two kinds of pollination. They are self-pollination, another one is cross-pollination. Now let us discuss about each of them. First, self-pollination. What is self-pollination? When the pollens from the anther of a flower is transferred to the stigma of the same flower is known as self-pollination. Now, what is cross-pollination? When the pollens from the anther of the flower is transferred to the stigma of another flower is known as cross-pollination. So, these are about pollination. Now, fertilization and fruit development. When the pollen grain lands on the stigma, it sends out a tube-like structure called pollen tube. The pollen tube grows into stigma and style and reaches the ovary. The male gamete in the pollen grains reaches the ovary through the pollen tube. It fuses with the female gamete in the ovule and forms the zygote. This process is known as fertilization. Now let us discuss about dispersal of seeds. Dispersal of seeds is spreading of seeds. The dispersal of seeds ensures that the seedlings are distributed over a wide area. There are four types of dispersal. They are wind dispersal, water dispersal, animal dispersal and explosive dispersal. Now let us know about wind dispersal. Wind dispersal is a type of dispersal in which the seeds are dispersed by the wind. The seeds which are scattered by the wind are light and small. For example, dandelion and cotton seeds. Now what is dispersal? Water dispersal is a type of dispersal in which the seeds are dispersed by the water. In plants like water lily, lotus and coconut, which usually grow in or near the flowing water, are scattered by the water. Now third one, animal dispersal. Animal dispersal is another kind of dispersal which is done by animals and birds. Now some seeds of fruits like papaya are eaten by animals and birds along with the seeds. These seeds are small and hard which are not digested by the animals and excreted. Now this way the animal dispersal is done. Now the last one is explosive dispersal. Explosive dispersal is a kind of dispersal in which the plants burst out. In plants like pea, touch me not, etc. Burst out, explode or explodes when the plants are dried. Now let us know about the process called germination of seeds. Germination of a seed is a process in which the seeds grow into plants. After the dispersal of seeds, the seeds grow into plants. This process is known as germination of seeds. So, I hope you all have understood our today's topic. If you have understood our today's topic, then don't forget to hit that like button and turn it into blue color. And also, don't forget to share this video with your friends and relatives on WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Telegram, etc. on other social medias. And also, if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. You can also follow me on Instagram as Srujan Study Circle. I will meet you with another new interesting topic. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.